Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Optima EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 178 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AC power outlet, 1 adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.